So first thing guys, you just need to open your Instagram application, then press on your profile on the bottom of your screen, and then you're going to find these three bars on the upper right corner of your screen. Press there and you're going to press on settings. Once you press on settings, you need to press on help button, the third to last option right there. Then again press on help center. Up to here guys, you're going to see that we still don't have the disable button. It's because that's the very last thing that Instagram wants to see you do. So what you're going to do is search in the search bar how to disable your Instagram account, or just press on the three bars on the upper right corner again. You're going to find manage your account. Just press on manage your account and then press on delete your account. Guys, we are not going to delete any account here. Just follow all the steps and I promise you what you're going to do is to disable the account. Instead of selecting the first option that is talking about temporarily disable my Instagram account, we are going just to take the second option. Scroll a little bit down, you will find delete account. Again, I remind you guys, we are not going to delete any account here. We are rather going to disable the account. And once you press on delete your account, you're going to be asked to open it with a browser. Don't select the application because you're not going to be able to disable your account using the Instagram application. So you have to select your browser. And in my case, I'm using Google Chrome. So here you're going to find this option, temporarily disable your account. This is what I was telling you guys. We are not going to delete any account here, but we are going to temporarily disable it. So now it's time for you to press on temporarily disable. And on this page here guys, Instagram is a little bit worried guys. Why do you really want to disable your account? Well, there might be any personal reason guys, but you have a bunch of options here. Just select anyone, give a good reason to Instagram among these ones, and when you do that, you just have to enter your password here again, and then this button, temporarily disable your account, is going to be available. Then you're going to press on that button and it's done. Your Instagram account is going to be disabled for a while. So guys, I'm not planning to disable an account here. I really like this account and it's very useful for me. So I hope you can now disable your account. If you like the video guys, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and let us know anything in the comment section and we'll be there to answer. Thanks for watching once more again. See you in the next video. Bye bye.